Hello and welcome to my Master 200 Ton Officer of the Watch 500 Ton overview. During your studying, it is essential that you have the necessary training materials, and this includes videos, quizzes, PDFs and aid memoirs. The syllabus for the Master 200 Officer of the Watch 500 Ton is laid out in MSN 1858, and this course is based point by point on that syllabus. And I will briefly run through that syllabus now. Navigational safety, plan and conduct a passage including chart work and position determination. During this section, and amongst other things, we go through passage planning and in particular APEM. We also cover buoyage in some detail, in particular how it is assessed during the MCA oral exam. We go through buoyage in great detail to ensure that you have sufficient knowledge to pass the oral exam. In meteorology, we cover how weather forecasts are obtained on board, the information they include, and also how to use shipborne meteorological instrumentation. This is in preparation for what could be asked in the oral exam. We look carefully at the forecast information local to the examiners, as well as worldwide weather information. We cover how to maintain a safe navigational watch, and this includes at anchor as well as underway. I've put together a number of aid memoirs to assist you in being able to answer these questions. The collision regulations forms a fairly significant part of the Master 200 Officer of the Watch 500 Ton syllabus, and therefore we go into this in some detail. This includes detailed explanations of the rules as well as interpretational videos on how to apply the rules, particularly in response to examiner questions. We move on to response to emergencies, safety and pollution control, and we start with distress signals and communications. Again, I have aid memoirs and videos on how to apply this in the exam. As explained in the detail of my course, MCA examiners often referring to manoeuvring a single screw vessel. Therefore, we go into this in detail so that you have a greater understanding of how to complete the exercises that they're asking you about. The course covers response to emergencies and in particular gives aid memoirs on how to answer these types of questions in the assessment. You are required to understand about MARPOL and the requirements for the annexes that apply to yachts. The course covers seaworthiness, in particular in relation to the 5 C's, and also through stability. The final section is on business and law, and in particular health and safety on board, the Code of Safe Working Practices, LY3 and subsequent codes, and also MGN 280 and in particular workboat codes. The course overall is a blended learning course which allows you to look at this online material in support of the one-to-one training that we can do either by face-to-face meeting or by Skype in order to best prepare you for the examination with the MCA. This is a difficult assessment for Master 200 and in many respects is more difficult than the Officer Watch 3000 Ton because of the Master element. Candidates are advised to allow 3 months of study time to sufficiently prepare for this MCA Master 200 exam.